Hi there, it's George here, and today I will have to show you a surprise. As you can see here, it is in bloom, my Venus Flytrap carnivore plant. And lovely flowers it have, as you can see, quite big. And this flower spike is so long, about 40 centimeters at least. So interesting. And look at the plant. It's looking really nice, healthy, many traps it have, and really enjoy it. And I feed it with insects once in a week. As you can see this, I feed it and did close. Well, this video is about this flower. It is just really amazing. I, for the first time, see the carnivore plant in bloom and enjoy it so much. Also, it have many buds, yet that's it. Well, I have to show you this plant close up, let's see. Well, this is really beautiful blooms on the Venus Flytrap, as you can see here. I love the petals, they are big, and I love how the texture they have. Also the stigma I want to pollinate, and have to wait around a few days to grow more, and then I will try to pollinate with a brush. Well, looking so beautiful, awesome, and also have flower buds behind the petals, and I really enjoyed the blooms because I see this for the first time, and really enjoyed. And let me show you how looking the Venus flytrap on the leaves and traps, It is looking healthy and okay. Some leaves drying, but that is natural process. Some grow, a lot of leaves actually growing, and really nice. As you can see how did grow these traps. I did make a video when this plant I received from a friend, and it was looking not very healthy in that time, but I put it on the grow light, and she loved the grow light. As you can see how beautifully started to grow these traps, and I feed these plants once in a week. I feed it, as you can see, this trap also so beautiful growing there. These three traps are so looking beautiful, and this one as well, amazing. Someone saying that if we don't cut the flower spike, the plant will die, but I am not think about that. In the nature, doesn't cut anyone flower spikes, And I will make a video when I will be pollinating these beautiful flowers, and looking forward. Well, hope you enjoyed this beauty. Thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel. Nice one. And have a nice day. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.